Hey guys, what I've got here is the Parkvision super wide reverse camera. I was looking for an upgrade, done my research, now it's time to test this out. Inside the box you'll get your necessary cables to connect to your media screen. A user manual with all the specs and information you need. Now this is the ZL115S model, 172 degrees super wide angle lens with night vision. Pure HD quality, gives you the option to have parking guidelines on or off. Also comes with a 12 months warranty backed with a support team. Check this out guys, this camera is robust, weatherproof with a modern sleek design. The old reverse camera I had cost around £5 online, and it was literally awful in the night vision and not clear in the day. It's okay as a backup camera, but I would personally never recommend it. So spend a bit more and get yourself a better camera that does the job right. All plugged in, now let's check out the quality. Super clear with a super wide angle lens. Really impressed. Obviously if you had a better media screen resolution, then the camera will look much more clear. But personally looking at this picture quality with the naked eye, it's 10 times much better than what I had previously. And the night vision with less street lighting around, the quality I can't complain. See for yourself. Finally, I just want to say that this factory fitted camera on this Toyota Aygo 65 plate, which costs twice as much, is as good as the Parkvision camera. Take care, peace.